it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and welcome to next week's Walgreens Ad Preview. I hope you guys all had a great Christmas and got to spend some good time with family and friends. We got some cool gifts ourselves. We did a white elephant, which was super cool. What else? We made beef Wellington yesterday for Christmas dinner, so I think we're going to start that as a new tradition. It actually came out super good. I was really excited about that. A few updates and tips and tricks for next week. We are getting a insert. Thank God. We haven't had any inserts, or my region hasn't anyway, in the last 2 weeks, so it's super weird. I haven't been buying newspapers, but we are only getting one. It is the P&G insert. I have previewed the insert. There are some good coupons, some Febreze buy one get one free coupons. We have some Head & Shoulders, Herbal Essence, some Bounty and Charmin, kind of the same coupons that we usually see in the P&G insert. So if you want to grab 1 or 2 inserts, it'd probably be a good week. Also, where I buy individually clipped coupons is either the couponmarketplace.com or clip2save.com, and that's with a K. Those websites will be linked in the description box for you guys below. Also, coupons, printable coupons from coupons.com. We're going to hopefully get some on Sunday. Then we'll be getting more on Wednesday because it's the 1st. So the new month, we get another batch of printable coupons. So I will post a video on Sunday morning letting you guys know what coupons we had available and what is in the P&G insert. So let's go ahead and dive into the deals. It is a better week than the previous week, with it being the Christmas week currently. Not that many deals to take advantage of. I still did put together a couple good deals for my CVS haul and for my Walgreens haul. So those will be linked in the description box if you haven't had a chance to check those out. And if you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any deals. So the first thing we see here is the store-wide $5 register reward at checkout when you spend $25 or more on eligible items. So when you read the fine print of this, which is on the next page, it's after discounting coupons, it has to be $25. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to put that together. I like to have my out-of-pocket obviously way less than $25. So I'll keep you guys updated when I do my Walgreens haul next week, how that works and if that winds up printing. There's going to be a ton of vitamin deals and supplement deals and such for everyone's New Year's resolution of trying to get healthier and maybe lose weight, just be a better you for next year. So buy one, get one free on vitamins, 3 for $9.99 on the 12-pack of soda. We have the DiGiorno, buy one, get one free again. Tide Liquid and Tide Pods, we're back to getting that $2 coupon, which is awesome. Previously, we only had $1, which was super low value. But we get a $2 coupon, so that would just be $2.99. I would still hold off on that. There's probably going to be a better deal at CVS. We usually get these for like 99 cents, something like that. Okay, next page here. More deals of the week is going to be the Bounty and Charmin again. This is the 6 equals 8 rolls, Bounty Essentials. They're $4.99 each. Get a $3 register reward when you buy 3. There are coupons coming in the P&G insert for Bounty and Charmin, and we'll have digital coupons on those, I'm sure, as well. Crest 3D White. There is $1 off coupons coming in the P&G insert. So they're $2.99. Buy 3, get a $5 register reward. So it's going to wind up being a freebie because $2.99 times 3 is going to be $8.98. We're going to use $3 off coupons. That'll make it, what, $5.98? Okay, so it'll be about 33 cents each. So not horrible. It's going to be for the Crest, the Oral-B toothbrushes, and the toothpaste. Olay, here's the really good deal that I was letting you guys know this week. So this week it's 2 for $11. Buy 4, get 4,000 points. Next week is a way, way better deal. It's 2 for $12. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. So I'll let you know what kind of coupons we have to pair with that. And then Lysol again, buy one, get one free, and the $1 off 2 digital coupon, which is awesome. The small trash bags and Ziploc baggies, well, not Ziploc, they're a nice brand, but the freezer storage bags and select sandwich bags are buy one, get 2 free again. I love those. I use them all the time, and they're really, really good quality. I would say equivalent to Ziploc, and you're getting them for about 93 cents each, which is cheaper than any Dollar Tree, Dollar General thing. Okay, so mail-in rebate, Bud Light, Miller Lite, Coors Light, they're $13.99. Get a $5 mail-in rebate. With the mail-in rebate, just be careful. Sometimes it doesn't print. It's going to print on the end of your receipt. You fill it out, and then you mail it to whatever address it tells you. So just make sure you watch your receipt. I've done a few of these in the past, and the mail-in rebate did not print. So they'll either wind up giving you $5 cash back or $5 in points is what they've done for me in the past. Okay, so here is the fine print on that. See if I can zoom in here for you guys. So it says valid in store with card limit 1. Purchase requirements must be met in single transaction before taxes and after discounts, store credit, and redemption dollars have been applied. So in essence, you have to pay, per this wording, you have to pay $25 like in cash or a credit card. So I'm probably not going to try to do that because that's more than I always try to do out of pocket.